Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So we are deep in the holiday season and some of you might be looking to purchase a drone for somebody on your Christmas list this year, or perhaps even for yourself. I think the DJI Neo is one that you should consider. If you're looking for a drone that is easy to fly and affordable, the DJI Neo comes in at $199 if you're in the US and $249 here in Canada. So at that price, it makes it very affordable for those who are looking to get into drone flying. And the nice thing about the Neo is that it doesn't require a lot of skill. So if you are brand new to drones or you're going to be purchasing it for somebody who doesn't have a lot of experience with drones, it is probably one of the easiest drones to fly. You can fly it just like this. There is no need for a controller. Use the buttons here at the top to select the predetermined task, whether you want to do something like an orbit or a droney. Press the takeoff button and it will launch right from the palm of your hand. It will perform the task that you have set, and then it will return right back to you and again land in the palm of your hand. So it's super easy to capture videos of all your adventures, family vacations. If you just want to create memories that you can share with family on social media, it's one of the easiest drones to pick up and fly. And because it is a DJI drone, you know you're going to have a good, reliable, and safe flight experience. In my opinion, there's no other drone on the market that you can pick up for $200 that's going to give you the same type of performance and reliability. On top of that, you have the option of connecting the DJI Neo to your smartphone. That's going to give you more options when it comes to the flight modes. You can change settings, and it even offers you virtual joysticks, so if you want a more traditional drone flight. Now, one thing that makes the DJI Neo really unique and a great choice for beginners is if you decide you want to expand the drone's capabilities, you can always introduce a controller down the road. There are many different controllers that are compatible with the Neo that DJI sells, including the RC2. This is the one with the built-in screen. They also have the RCN3 and the RCN2. This one here, you have to mount a smartphone on the top. And this is now going to turn the DJI Neo, which is an autonomous drone, into a fully functional traditional drone that you can fly and get nice cinematic footage. The flight characteristics of it are actually quite good for such a small, inexpensive drone. And the nice thing is that you can go back and forth on the fly. So if you're just out for a quick hike and you want to capture some autonomous footage, perhaps have it follow you, you come to a spot where you want to capture some more traditional cinematic footage, you just connect the controller and away you go. So it really is a unique experience. Now, if that wasn't enough, on top of that, it is fully capable of FPV flight. DJI offers a few different goggle options that are compatible with the Neo, including the Goggles 3 and the newly released Goggles N3. These new Goggles N3s are perfect because they're low cost. In fact, you can actually buy the Neo with the goggles as a kit. It also comes with a controller. And this thing is actually a lot of fun flying at FPV style. It's really immersive. And the other nice thing is that you can actually fly the DJI Neo in full manual mode. So whether you're just learning and you want some assistance and fly it like a more traditional drone with goggles, you're able to do that. But as your skill level grows, you can switch it into full manual and then you have full control. Now, when flying with the goggles, you have a choice of different controllers. You can use the Motion 3 controller, which is really easy and intuitive. Or you can have a more traditional flight with the DJI FPV 3 controller. So it's pretty incredible that a small, inexpensive drone like this is such a capable drone. It can be flown autonomously. It can be flown like a traditional drone with a traditional controller, or you can have an immersive FPV flight. So the DJI Neo, for its price, is a pretty impressive drone. It can accommodate a lot of different types of users, whether you're looking just to capture some family memories on vacation, if you're a vlogger and you want to capture B-roll shots for your vlogs. Then you factor in how lightweight it is and its size. It makes for easy packing and easy travel. This is one of those drones you don't have to think about whether you want to carry it around with you all day. This thing will literally fit in your pocket. It's not going to take up a lot of room in a camera bag. On top of that, the batteries are really small, so if you want to bring multiple batteries with you, again, it's not going to be cumbersome. And that can be really important when choosing a drone for hiking and different scenarios like that. And lastly, another great feature of it is its tracking capabilities. And again, when it comes to vlogging, if you're a hiker and you want to capture some nice shots for your vlogs, this thing again is easy and quick to deploy. You just press one button and the drone is going to start following you. And what really makes it great for following is, unlike a traditional drone here where the blades are completely exposed, the Neo has these ducted guards. So as it's following you, if it happens to brush into a tree branch or a tree trunk or some other obstacle, most of the time it's just going to bounce right off. Unlike this, if you have a drone like this following you, if these blades hit a tree or a branch, most likely the drone is going to fall down to the ground. And these types of drones are actually very fragile. If they fall from a great height, there's a chance you could break the camera, the gimbal, or one of these arms could snap off, and you're going to damage the props. But with the Neo, it has a very robust build. It's very durable. As mentioned, it'll bounce off most obstacles, but if it does happen to fall down to the ground, because of its robust, durable build, most likely it's not going to be damaged. And on top of that, the props are enclosed, so it makes it extremely safe. So yeah, folks, if you are in the market for an inexpensive drone this holiday season, I think the DJI Neo is a great choice. It will be accommodating to many different types of users. Whether you're a complete beginner and have never flown a drone before, or even if you just want to have a spare drone in your pack for capturing different types of unique shots, I think the DJI Neo is a great option for many types of people. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.